Welcome to this video on artificial intelligence and its applications. In this presentation, we will explore key concepts, domains, and ethical considerations for AI. Let's begin with an overview of what we will cover in this session. First, we will define the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. Then, we will dive into 6 major domains of AI and their real-world applications. We will also explore deep learning, a specialized branch of AI, and discuss its significance. Lastly, we will examine the ethical use of AI and identify appropriate practices. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the use of algorithms to mimic human thought. For instance, neural networks are used to classify data and make predictions. Applications of AI include self-driving cars, facial recognition, and productivity tools. AI has 6 primary domains, each with unique purposes and applications. Machine learning identifies patterns and predicts outcomes from data. Computer vision extracts meaning from images and videos. Natural language processing interprets and processes human language. Knowledge representation organizes information in ways computers can understand. Automated reasoning solves conceptual problems using algorithms. Finally, robotics designs and programs robots for intelligent tasks. Machine learning is a widely used AI domain for predictive tasks. For example, it can predict which patients might develop specific medical conditions. It analyzes data to uncover trends and make data-driven decisions. Deep learning is a more complex subset of AI with many parameters. Neural networks with multiple layers capture intricate relationships in data. These models require significant computational resources for training. Examples include GPT models, which generate human-like text, and advanced image classifiers. Using AI responsibly is essential to avoid unintended consequences. Always review AI-generated content for errors and inaccuracies. Never copy AI-generated output verbatim to ensure originality and fairness. Be aware of biases in AI models and remain transparent about their use. AI has already transformed many industries with practical applications. Self-driving cars use AI to detect obstacles and plan efficient routes. Facial recognition systems identify individuals in crowds or images. Productivity tools assist with code writing and debugging. Online shopping platforms recommend products and provide customer service. To summarize, AI spans multiple domains with diverse real-world applications. Deep learning drives advanced models, enabling powerful AI systems. Responsible AI practices are crucial for fairness, accuracy, and transparency. Ethical considerations guide the deployment of AI technologies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.